pleasure to have you with us here. How are you?
I'm fine, madam. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. It's always a
Thank you.
pleasure to meet the chefs and know what's behind. How are you cooking? How are you doing your jobs? So let's see what your
Okay.
journey is.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So what was your idea behind choosing the field of chef, as it wasn't that famous a few years ago?
Actually, madam, I don't have any idea. When I choose the field, this because I had ambition to work in foreign countries.
Okay,
So
that's a
I was
really good idea being an Indian.
yes. So I was told my some of friend so that if I choose this field, too easy to for me to go abroad. So I just decide to choose this field. That's why I choose
That's
this.
that's a very beautiful
Yes.
thought behind maybe a fantasy or a dream that every child has.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Could you take me a little back to your journey from the days you started, or was there a professional coaching that you took to fulfill your dream?
Yeah. Upon completion of my college, I had no profession until I meet my friend of mine.
Okay.
So who told me more about the Roma Institute, and
Okay. That's
it was
great.
the yeah, and through by him I went there. So for the for the cooking I had no any idea. So by him I started this line.
So, how was your experience
Yeah.
when you were taking coaching there?
The experience was the well done one. The training is about how to become a chef. And there was I introduced too many cooking skills, and also some men maintains hygienic standards in the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah, then and other so many professional things for the cookings I learned
Hmm.
from there.
So that means it
Yes.
was a journey from a newbie to a professional, if I quote that right.
Yeah. Yes. It was a very new for me, and it was a nice beginning for me.
That's awesome. That's really
Yeah.
motivational to listen that how a person become unaware of a field becomes a
Yeah.
professional. So, what was
Yes,
your
you are.
first industrial experience and where was it? Like, can I have a brief of it and let me have a snapshot how the journey began?
Yeah, industry they could teach us how to prepare and cook the different types of food, and dishes or the internet and dishes, and then we were also introduced that particle classes,
Oh, that's really
practical.
beautiful.
Yeah, practical training also. And then after that I also realized that because I told you that I don't have any idea, so I don't had any interested in this line. So after everything I realized that I could be a professional chef who could be working in international level. As I told you that I had a dream to
Hmm.
go abroad countries. Yeah.
In which industry, like, which was the first firm that you worked in?
uh it was I work in hotels in Jalandhar.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
a great start.
I had I had training there, and I sent it by Aroma Institute also.
Okay, awesome. That's absolutely
Yeah.
brilliant.
Once I finished my classes from Aroma, and
Hmm.
I we had a meeting with the principal madam. So she was suggesting us to go to for training to Ramada Hotel in Jalandhar.
Okay,
So yeah, we went there almost I think for 6 months.
absolutely nice. A great start.
Yeah, and I learned so many things from there that I can say that I was seeing that my dream is becoming there in a real, Yeah.
And dream with open eyes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, Mandeep, what was the first dish that you ever prepared in a professionally? Like after your training ended and you
Uh,
were a professional. So, what was that first dish that you ever cooked?
okay. It was a first dish I prepared professionally. It was a kathi roll.
Okay.
So from from the aroma, and when I started my class first day in aroma, I also found the Mr. Ravi chef who was making kathi roll there.
Yes.
So you can say in my this line. So I found the first thing is kathi roll of my
Okay.
life, So which is a professionally for me.
Hmm.
So I cook also for myself that kathi roll.
Okay. So that might have
Yes.
been an amazing experience to cook your first dish as a professional.
Yeah, I when I cook that professional dish that I serve to guests like my customer. So they like that, and
What was that
as
compliment
which
that you heard? Could you tell
uh
what was that
the
compliment that the
yes,
guest gave to you?
yeah, it was I got the compliment from the guest that it was a delicious,
Hmm. Hmm. So that's
very delicious,
inspiring.
and
That's inspiring.
they asked me more, yeah. Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
yes, yeah.
So after so many years into this field of being a professional chef now, where do you imagine yourself after 5 years down the line?
uh okay, as of now, like I can say that my dream which I had in my past, so I can say this is becoming a reality.
Okay, that's
I had
nice.
a that yeah that I had a dream to go abroad. That where am I now? Yeah, and
Congratulations for that.
yeah, yeah, thanks you very much. And in a 10-year time based on what I am now currently. I'm a head chef of Indian department.
Oh,
So
wow.
yes, and I have a vision to also become a international level sous chef. You can like say executive chef, as everybody want to be a career good, like that.
So wish you all the best for all the dreams that you have. You may achieve them with all the heights and all the blessings of your family, friends, your personal hard work. So, before I sum up the
Thank
whole
you.
story for you, what piece of advice would you give to the aspiring candidates entering the industry?
Okay. For the new aspirants, I would have advised them to fully competed in their new career, and to achieve their dreams to become professional chefs as as a international level, or how they want to be them to be become them, and in the end I can only say that work hard and is this line we need a struggle, and if
Sure.
we struggle,
Every
and
life, every
yes,
work requires struggle to achieve
yeah,
heights.
yeah, and especially the hotel line and for the cooking is it's very difficult if you see for the beginning, but in the end you be feel something like I can say after any beginning the end is very good, and
Yes.
yeah, and the behind the struggles every wage is success. So without struggle no any success there. So
Yes.
I can just do I would have to achieve them that advise them that they have to fully complicated their new career. So yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Chef Mandeep, for being here with us today, for sparing your so valuable time out of. Thank you so much. And the journey was really inspirational, from being a newbie, unaware of the field that you are entering in, and what heights you have
Yes.
achieved today. So, congratulations for that. And
Thank you.
thank you so much for that motivation for me as well as the aspiring candidates that are entering the industry today.
Thank you so much, man.
Have a
Thank you
great
so
day
much.
ahead.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Chef.